Hi everyone, welcome to our first class together. I am Miss Lawson and I am your teacher this quarter or semester depending on which class I have with you. I am teaching a variety of classes this time around, so I've got English 10, English 20, and History 20, and all of these are definitely some of my favorite classes, so I'm really excited to teach them. A little bit about me, I've been teaching for about 12 years now. I've been teaching at a variety of different schools. If you read the introduction that I put on our announcements, you'll know all about that. So really excited to be here working with you guys to look at what it means to actually make community online. So I really do hope that you will join us with our live sessions. It's really important that you try to come to as many as you can. They do really help your understanding, and as well they help us to create a community that we may not be getting if we're doing full-time online. Also, I get a little bit lonely, so I would just love a chance to get to know you guys and who you are and all of the things that you get up to and what makes you tick. So I really do encourage you to come to the live lessons whenever you can. So I want to take a little bit of time to look at our courses, and I'm going to look at specifically our English A10 course. So if you're in the English 20, the History 20, this will still be applicable to you because a lot of the stuff in here is going to be the same. So I'll share my screen with you now so you can see what is up. So when you get to Blackboard, hopefully you'll see something. Probably won't look like this. It might look more like that, or it might be kind of in the middle of your page, but you want to make sure that you can find your classes. And I like to have mine, I'm not taking classes. I like to have mine set up so that I can see them like this. So we go into my English 10 class, and on our side over here, you will see all of the really important information for what you're doing in our course. So every day you should always check your announcements. You will have information from me that tells you what's going on. So you'll see here we've got our September 2nd announcement, and it tells you the things that you're working on. Okay, so that's the first thing that you want to look at. When you've looked at what's in there, it'll tell you where to go and what things you should be working on. Okay, other important information here, you can see my teacher contact if you need to get a hold of me. We're still working on our phones, so hopefully that'll be up and running, but you can send me an email and I will get to hold, no, I won't get to hold. I'll get a hold of you right back as soon as possible. Some other stuff about the information about our course, about Blackboard, etc. If you go to this button, you'll find our calendar, and on this calendar you will find all of the information about different either live lessons or due dates. So I'm not trying to overwhelm you guys and put every single due date in immediately. I've had a couple of you ask, so just know that that's going to keep getting updated as more and more courses and units get added to our class. But it will be at least 2 or 3 weeks ahead of you, so don't worry about that. Also, just note when our live lessons are, so I'll make sure that that's updated. We're aiming for about 1 hour of live instruction a week, so unless you're in the history class, and then we're doing about 2.5 per week. Another important part here will be your discussion board. On here, a lot of you have had the chance to do this where you are introducing yourself, so make sure you've done that. The collaborate, that is where we will have our live lessons, so you'll just be expected to come into there and you'll just join this course room and it'll open it up for you. And then finally, my grades, that is where you'll be able to see your assignments and what grade you have. So some of it might have things from older classes that are still going to get deleted. Don't worry about that. It will be updated for you. So those are the important things that you need to know about our Blackboard classroom. All right, so again, anything else that you might need from me, you can send me a quick email and I will be able to answer that as soon as possible. And yeah, come to the live lessons. They're really important and I'm looking forward to working with you. Thanks.